Hi, welcome back to this channel. My name is Ankit Mishra and today we will discuss about the establishment of foreign office in India. Foreign companies have established their footprint in India ever since the liberalization of market. There are multiple reasons for establishing a foreign office. Maximizing profits and increasing business operations are topping this list. The Government of India has brought out specific regulations related to establishment of offices in India. Under the Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 FEMA, foreign countries can establish either a branch office, liaison office or a project office. However, setting up an office in India depends on the requirement of the foreign company. Purpose of establishment of foreign office in India. A resident outside India or a foreign company can establish the following types of offices in India. Number 1, branch office. Number 2, liaison office. Number 3, project office. Branch office. If the foreign company wants to expand its business operations in India, then it would be preferable to start a branch office in India. The activities of a branch office are not restricted. Branch offices can engage in all forms of activities, which also includes receiving remittances from the foreign companies. Therefore, if the foreign office aims to expand its geographical presence, it can start from office in India. Liaison office. Liaison means coordinating and improving relationships between the entities or organizations. Therefore, liaison office acts as a point of contact for the foreign company. When the foreign company wants to establish its presence in India, a liaison office can be set up in India. The foreign office can send inward remittances to the liaison office to conduct operations. The only type of operations which are allowed for a liaison office is marketing, promotional activities and representing the foreign office in India. The liaison office is the point of contact for the foreign office in India. Number 3, project office. Project office can also be set up by a foreign company in India. However, certain conditions have to be satisfied with setting up a project office for a foreign company in India. There has to be a contract granted by an Indian company to a foreign company. The contract has to be in the list of permitted activities. The remittance of foreign fund has to be fund the project in India. The project can also be funded by an international monetary or financial authority such as the International Monetary Fund, IMF or the World Bank. A term loan has to be granted by a public financial institution to the company that is granting the contract. List of permitted activities for establishment of foreign office in India. For branch office, the following are the permitted activities. Establishment of a foreign office in India, importing and exporting of goods and services, consultancy and professional businesses, research and development work, which is allowed by the parent company, acting as an agent for the parent company, development of the software of the parent company, technology support for the parent company, and transportation company. For liaison office, following activities are permitted. Representing the group of companies in India, promotion and marketing activities for the foreign company in India, collaborations activities such as financial and technical collaboration, and mode of communication between foreign and parent company about the Indian authorities. This is it for today. In the next video, we will discuss about the eligibility, regulations and authorities related to registering a foreign company in India. Till then, stay tuned and like, share and subscribe to this channel for more knowledgeable content.